The automation paradigm shift. Let's start with the big picture. Infrastructure has gone through a massive transformation. We've moved from manually configuring servers to defining everything as code. What this really means is, instead of clicking buttons and waiting for systems to be set up, we now write code that describes our infrastructure. And the system builds it for us. This is what we call infrastructure as code, and it's the foundation of modern DevOps. Traditional infrastructure challenges. Now here's the problem with the old way. As shown in the flow on this slide, business teams request resources, infrastructure teams process them, and application teams just wait. And what happens? Slow delivery, high costs, limited automation, and worst of all, human errors and inconsistency. Everything depends on manual effort. That's the bottleneck. The brittle illusion of imperative scripting. Let's talk about scripting. At first, scripts look powerful. You write commands, automate tasks, feels efficient. But here's the catch. You are responsible for everything. Checking states, handling errors, managing edge cases. As highlighted in this slide, you're constantly polling systems and writing complex logic just to keep things running. And that's fragile. One small change and everything can break. Shift from defining how to defining what. This is where the real shift happens. Instead of telling the system how to do things step by step, we simply tell it what we want. Look at the comparison here. Imperative code, long, complex, detailed. Declarative code, short, clean, and focused. You define the desired state, like, I want a server with this configuration, and the system figures out the rest. That's the power of declarative thinking. Mapping the infrastructure tool ecosystem. Now let's place everything in context. This diagram shows the ecosystem. On one side, configuration management tools like Ansible, Puppet, SaltStack. They manage software and system state. Then we have immutable tools like Docker, Packer, Vagrant. They package everything into ready-to-use artifacts. And finally, declarative infrastructure tools like Terraform and CloudFormation. They handle provisioning. Each layer solves a different problem, but together, they form the modern DevOps stack. Configuration management handles the software layer. Let's zoom into configuration management. These tools are designed to install and manage software on systems. Key characteristics. They are version controlled. They maintain a standard structure. They support idempotency, meaning you can run them multiple times safely as shown here. You define configurations, and the system ensures consistency. Immutable tools package dependencies into static artifacts. Now this is where things get interesting. Instead of modifying systems again and again, we create pre-built images. Docker containers VM images using Packer environment replication with Vagrant. The idea is simple. Don't patch systems, replace them. This eliminates configuration drift and ensures consistency across environments. Terraform acts as the universal orchestrator. Now comes the star of the show. Terraform. Terraform acts as a control plane across everything. Cloud providers, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Databases, MySQL, MongoDB monitoring tools, Grafana, Datadog networking, Cloudflare, Auth systems. Everything is managed from one place. You write one configuration, and Terraform orchestrates the entire infrastructure. Anatomy of a declarative resource block. Let's break down what declarative code actually looks like. Here's a simple resource block. It has a resource type, a name, and parameters, key value pairs. That's it. You define what you want, like a file, a server, or a database. And Terraform ensures it exists exactly like that. Simple, readable, and powerful. The idempotency engine calculates the exact delta. This is the brain behind everything. Terraform compares your desired state, defined in code, with the current state, from the cloud. Then it calculates the difference, and creates an execution plan. As shown here, it tells you what will be created, changed, or destroyed. Nothing random, everything predictable. The modern infrastructure mental model. Let's wrap it up. Modern infrastructure is built on 3 ideas. Escape the bottleneck. No more manual delays. Declare. Don't script. Focus on outcomes, not steps. Universal orchestration. Manage everything from one place. This is the mindset shift. And once you get this, DevOps starts to feel simple.